1, 2, 3, 4. Up here, I'm going to draw the iliac spine. Here, I'm going to block in the pubic bone, right? I'm still sketching, right? So this is still a very loose approximation where things are going to be. I just want to know where they're going to be first before I invest time in the detail. So now I have the iliac spine and the pubic bone, and therefore that helps me to block in to attach the thigh to the bucket of the pelvis, right? Now you notice I've been drawing the pelvis as a bucket, not like a marshmallow, to make it closer to the skeletal form of the pelvis, right? So now here, between iliac spine and pubic bone, here I'm going to have the thigh. So I'm blocking the thigh like this, right? And then I'm going to consider the foreshortening because of the perspective, right? So we could move this leg, right? This leg is similar to that, right, in position. Or we could move this leg a little bit more in and turn it inward like this, right? And it could be like this, right? Like that. See that? See how convenient it is to try different possibilities, right? So this leg could be even a little bit more turned that way, right? So we accentuate this movement, right? So this leg now, the lower leg is going to be seen also from the side. This leg is going to be about 3/4, right? Like this. And now we can block in the clavicles, so we can draw the shoulder joint, right, at the end of the clavicles. So this shoulder joint will overlap a little bit over the rib cage, right, because it's like a turn, so this will come forward. This instead